Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Y'all won't believe what happened. I'm sure most of y'all know, if y'all see my videos, that I record with my phone, right? Like all the videos I do right now, I've been recording it with my phone, and yeah, so everything is safe there. I just have to pass it on to my laptop and then I can just edit my videos, blah 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 blah, right? Saddest thing happened. Okay, so Tuesday I recorded, Wednesday I recorded. That Wednesday night, my phone was over with. Worst nightmare-ish nightmare, not that bad, I mean. No, it's pretty bad. So those two videos are gone because my phone decided to do something weird. Never turn on ever again. So when it was doing it was like turning on and off. Well, now it's like completely dead and I'm not even going to try and charge it anymore to see if it works because it doesn't. I tried looking it up. I did this and that. Y'all won't believe the amount of things I did. And I even took it in and they were like, oh yeah, we can fix it, blah, blah, blah. Maybe just this, that. But then I was like, they were like, but it's just a chance. And I was like, well, check it out. And then they were like, oh no, yeah, this is done with. And I was like, what the hell? I was like, okay, cool. What the hell happened to my phone? So I'll show y'all the sadness I've experienced these 2 days. So I was supposed to post yesterday, as it says on my profile or my banner on my YouTube profile, but I wasn't able to, so I decided to get on the camera today. I will be posting tomorrow, so I'm gonna try and get in a video today. I'm gonna try to remake the video ish, the one I recorded on Wednesday. I'll see how I do that. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but I'll try. But for now, I will show y'all my sadness. So this is my phone. So as you can, hola. Wow, right now I'm using like another phone that I had for backup. So now it's just dead. If I try to even charge it, you'll see that the Apple will turn on and off, on and off, on and off. And sometimes it won't even charge, so I have to keep trying different chargers so it finally charges. So my phone is gone. It's dead. It's over with. But it's okay. Sadly, I mean, it's gone. But went ahead and got a new one. Same one. So now we're reopening it. And now I'm gonna start recording with this one. So now I just have to back up everything, add everything. Hopefully I can recover. I don't think I'm gonna recover it because I didn't have iCloud. I would back it up with iTunes, and the last time I backed it up on iTunes, it was a while back. So now I'm just going to open it. Oh, beautiful. Oof. 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 So there's our new phone. I'll just have to set it up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go set it up and everything, and then I'll be back with y'all. I think I'm gonna go ahead and is my hair good? I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Okay, so for one of the videos that got deleted, I was showing y'all the new Nespresso that I got, but of course, and how I organized the pods, and it looks so cute. But obviously all that footage is gone. I'm gonna still check as I'm doing this, but I'm pretty sure it's gone because I haven't updated it. I haven't backed it up. I didn't back it up in those 3 days that I recorded, so I'm pretty sure it's gone. Either way, that's what's gonna happen, and So again, I'm gonna set it up and then I'll be back and I'll just show y'all the Nespresso. The new one is so nice. I actually got to try it out a million times and I'm doing like these cute drinks or whatever. You know, I'm a little excited. It's kind of like an espresso machine, but more simple per se. And you don't have to put the beans or anything. You know, the coffee beans? Yeah, the coffee beans, you don't have to put them. You just, it's like the pots, like the Keurig, but they're different pots. I'll show y'all in a minute. But let me set this up and I'll be back with y'all and I'll show y'all that since that video is gone. I got my phone back finally. I activated it and everything. And now I'm gonna show y'all the Nespresso machine. It's so nice. To my opinion, it's nice. I don't know if y'all remember the Keurig we had. It was like right here. Look, I need this. Let me connect. And it was good, but it wouldn't warm up the water that good. Like, I'm being honest. Maybe now they're better because we've had it for like 3 years perhaps. And I thought it was time for an upgrade. So I've always wanted an espresso machine. But I didn't want to be doing the, you know, the beans thingy where you're grinding the coffee beans and then blah blah blah. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy something close to it. It's like an espresso machine, but it's not. And then I came across the Nespresso machine. I'm gonna show it to y'all. And it's nice and it has a frother for the milk that I've always wanted. Okay, here it is. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh, I wish my video hadn't deleted. The unboxing was good. Oh, is it focused? No. So here is an Nespresso. Well, it says Nespresso. Well, here's the whole machine. So I'm gonna pull it out a little bit just so you can see. So as you can see, this is like the side view. This is where you pour in the water. And I personally pour it in from my fridge. If you've seen my older videos, you'll see that we have like a water bottle thingy in our fridge. So I just pour it in. It's easy. You just lift, put it back on, and then the pods go in here. Oops, one just fell. So you put it in, close it, and then you just follow the directions on this. And so there it is, turning on. So there it is. We have a ristretto, espresso, lungo, flat white, cafe latte, cappuccino, latte macchiato, the milk, steam purge, I don't know what that is, honestly, maintenance, and then just settings. So then whatever you go to, like for example the cappuccino, you can set the milk temperature, the coffee volume, and the milk froth setting. Yeah, and then you would just click start. You would click and it would pour it in. And then this is the milk frother. It will also give you instructions to froth it. So I guess I could give you a little look at how it works. I can make myself a little cup of coffee, but there it is. I'm learning about some caramel syrup and sauce, and a vanilla syrup to try and do different things, and it's been working nicely. But I love it. This goes in here. Oops, it had water inside, or coffee. And then this, I think you have to clear it out because it fills with some water, like you know, the water that falls. But yeah, let's try and make one little coffee. Okay, we're gonna grab our little cup. I guess let's grab my basic mug and we're gonna set it here, open it, plop it in, close it, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a cafe latte. It smells beautiful. So there, pour that much, and now we gotta start the milk. Let me grab the milk. So now we pour some milk in our frother. About that much. Nah. There we go. That's fine. Close that. Oops. Okay. So now we click start. Oh no. Oh no, yeah. I was like, this is doing the coffee again, but there it goes. So now we pour the milk. Oh, and there goes. Okay, maybe I could have done that on the side. Well, obviously I didn't fill it up to the top, but don't mind it. I'll clean that later. I usually just leave it, rinse it, and clean this off. But yeah, that's it. Like I said, there's different settings. You can change a lot of things. Like I said, milk temperature, milk froth. So you see, let me show y'all. Like if I click it, I can change. Say full. Oops. I can change it to very hot, the milk temperature, or cool. Obviously, if you're doing a cold drink, you might as well do it cool. So then there's that. And the settings. I think this is how frothy you want. I don't know yet, to be honest. But there they are. You could just start and cancel, and now you just turn it off by holding it there. Or you can just let it turn off by itself, which is what I do. So here's my cafe latte. And now I'm gonna show y'all something I loved. Okay, so obviously we had to get pods for this new machine. The Keurig uses a different one. The Keurig uses a different one. So obviously, yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. The point is, I decided to organize the cabinet right below the Nespresso. This one, Mickey Mouse cute. So I'm gonna show y'all. Here it is. Look how pretty. Obviously, we need more pods. These, I don't think they call them pods. They call them capsules. I think they call them capsules. Anyways, so these were samples. It came in like a little box, and here are the flavors. Now these on the other side, I bought them all decaf. I did not know it was like a pack of 5 I bought on Amazon, and I had no idea they were all decaf. I thought two rows were decaf, but no, they were all decaf. So now we're stuck with all decaf for me and some for the rest of my fam at the house. Only 4 left. There was more, but we finished them. And the teas are over here. We don't have that many teas, but I was thinking of putting in some little clear containers in here and organizing them further nicely, like standing up and stuff. But we'll see. But yeah, that's how I organized my little coffee, and now it's gonna be right under. You just grab it, plop it in, and the milk is right in the fridge. And yeah. So I think that's it for this video. Yeah. Well, I'm sorry I wasn't able to get the original video in, but I tried my best at showing y'all the new Keurig. I don't know what to tell y'all. I'm still kind of sad and torn that all my videos got deleted, but hey, things happen for a reason. I truly believe that, and it's okay. I will be fine. Either way, I was still able to show y'all the Nespresso, even though it wasn't an unboxing video no more. And my little cute organization. Y'all would have seen me organize it in my other video, but like I said, things happen for a reason, and I'm sad. But either way, we got through it, and it's okay. We got through it again. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you liked it. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to, but I would appreciate it if you do. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.